Ooh.
NixOS is a really interesting, unique, and this includes a lot of improvements and changes as well as better performance.
By the way, I use NixOS.
Johnny Depp was using Linux in the court. We found that it's NixOS.
I'm so pathetic.
Yes, that's right. We've heard 5 or 6, well, actually, we're probably up to 8 now.
Everyone on road seems to be using NixOS. Is this the end of BTW? I use Arch.
Because I know, somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.